Okay, today I'm going to help you create a project in iMovie. Okay, first you have to create a new project. Go into iMovie and create a new project on the File menu. Then you have to select a theme here. There are tons of themes. There's movie trailers. There is, for our purposes, we're going to select no theme for now. We're going to deselect cross dissolve because I want to show you how to add transitions. And we're just going to leave it as new project. Okay? Now we're going to create a new event. So that way we can import stuff. You go into File and New Event. Then we're just going to leave it as new event 8.13.11. Okay? Now what we're going to do is we're going to import a video. I don't have a camera connected to my computer right now, so for our purposes we will select Import Movies. Okay? And we're going to select this one right here. Okay? This is one of the movies I created. Okay? Takes a few minutes. Well, not really a few minutes for this one because it's depending on how large the file is. Depends on how long it takes. Okay? So let's go ahead and once this is done, we'll start moving our stuff into the project pane. Okay, so for our purposes, we are just going to select about 4 images here, move them to the top. All you have to do is drag. Okay, and now what you should do is, if you want to add some music, I'm going to add music here. Let's go to let's go to, this is a sweet one, My Heart Will Go On. Let's do that one. Well, no. We're actually going to do Southern Cross by Crosby, Stills, and Nash. Okay? And notice how when you add the music in there, it doesn't play the whole song because there is no video to support it. So it just goes to the end of the video. When you add more clips, you can extend the audio portion of it. Okay? Now if you want to add some still images, we can go ahead and add this one here. Okay, now we can extend the music a little bit. Okay, want to add a title, we can go and add a title here. We'll do this one. This is a pretty cool one. They have a lot of titles down there, so we can do that. And here, if you notice this window right here, this actually, what it does is you can select a background for your text. So for our purposes, we're going to select this one, curtain. Okay, and now you can edit the text right on the screen. So we're going to put sample video. Okay. Alright. And we're going to move our music back a little bit because we of course want it to start. We can also move where it starts. Okay. And if we want to create a transition, we can create transitions here. Let's do this really cool one. Okay. And let's do a simple one, cross dissolve. Okay. And then if you want to add some cool effects and some cool, this is storyboarding, so if you want to add some cool storyboarding shots in there, if you want to kind of plan your video out beforehand, you can. This is just where the little globe here, that is the icon you click on for that. Okay, and if you want to import more video, go to Import from Camera, or import and go over to Movies, Camera Archive, iMovie for iOS project, which iMovie HD project, which is if you have the HD version. Camera Archive would be something from your camera that is already archived in the computer. So what you would do is, these are also cool effects. If you want to select the video, let's do some editing. If you want to select the video here, okay, kind of got big on me for whatever reason. You can select slow motion, 50%, 25%. There's also a little thing here called the inspector. You can select precision editor, which kind of makes it a little precise. Clip adjustments, cropping and rotation. Cropping is, if you want to crop it. Ken Burns is basically if you want the video to move as you want the title to move, which for our purposes, I'm going to, well, it kind of already did that, but okay. If you want to show the fonts, you can show fonts. If you want to make, you want a different window setup, do window. If you need some help, help is always a good thing. You can search in there. So basically, that's all. That's basically how iMovie works. Now, if you want to add a voiceover, select this microphone here. Pops up with a window here, and all you have to do is select a area where you want the voiceover to record on. Then you can, let's say if we wanted to record here, we can select right here, okay? And then all we have to do is, it's not letting me record right now because it's not in the right place. Let's see, microphone, still not letting me record. I don't know why. My system is a little weird. Your system will be much better, hopefully. If you want to swap the events and projects, move projects down here, the projects down to the bottom, and move the events up top, you can do that with this little button here. You can also adjust the size of the thumbnails. You can open the camera import window if you want to import some more video as a shortcut. If you want to change the orientation, it kind of makes it go like that instead of going all across and then going down a line. It'll just go all across, and you'll just have a little scroll bar at the bottom. Okay, thank you for listening to my tutorial, and hopefully I'll get to meet you soon when you do business with Eventful Video Productions. Thank you very much.